Tired of being tethered to the wall by a bulky vacuum cleaner? Do you dream of a cleaning companion that's lightweight, cordless, and tackles everyday messes with ease? Then say hello to the BISSELL Featherweight Cordless XRT. This review isn't just about specs and features. We're diving deep to see if the Featherweight XRT is the ultimate sidekick in your fight for a clean home. Can it conquer quick cleanups and maneuver like a feather, or will it leave you longing for a more powerful partner? Let's unpack the box and find out. Lightweight champion. Effortless cleaning on the go. Weighing only 7 pounds. The BISSELL Featherweight Cordless XRT boasts a lightweight design. This makes it easy to maneuver around furniture, clean underneath cabinets, and reach high cobwebs. Unlike bulkier vacuums, you won't feel fatigue after a cleaning session with this model. Cordless Freedom. Untethered cleaning for up to 25 minutes. The BISSELL Featherweight Cordless XRT, as the name suggests, operates on a rechargeable lithium-ion battery. This allows for cordless cleaning freedom, eliminating the need to constantly search for outlets or battle with a tangled cord. With a 25-minute runtime, it's ideal for quick cleanups and tackling everyday messes. However, it might not be suitable for larger cleaning jobs. Multi-surface mastery. Seamless transition from carpets to hard floors. The BISSELL Featherweight Cordless XRT features a multi-surface brush roll with a convenient on-off switch. This allows you to seamlessly transition from cleaning carpets to hard floors with the push of a button. No need to switch attachments for different surfaces, simply adjust the setting for optimal cleaning performance. Two-way folding handle. Reaching high and storing low, the BISSELL Featherweight Cordless XRT features a two-way folding handle. This innovative design allows for two functionalities. Extended reach. When folded out, the handle extends the vacuum's reach, allowing you to clean under furniture and tight spaces with ease. Compact storage. When folded down, the handle transforms the vacuum into a more compact unit, ideal for storing in small spaces. Transforming hero. From stick vacuum to handheld in a click, the BISSELL Featherweight Cordless XRT isn't just a stick vacuum. With a simple click, it converts into a handheld vacuum, perfect for tackling furniture upholstery, tight spaces like car interiors, and spot cleaning messes. This versatility allows you to clean a wider range of surfaces without needing a separate vacuum cleaner. Handy attachments for targeted cleaning. The BISSELL Featherweight Cordless XRT comes with two attachments to enhance its cleaning capabilities. Upholstery brush, designed to remove dust, pet hair, and allergens from furniture upholstery. Crevice tool, perfect for reaching into tight spaces like corners, baseboards, and between couch cushions. The final verdict, a convenient option for everyday cleaning. The BISSELL Featherweight Cordless XRT offers a user-friendly and convenient cordless cleaning solution for everyday tasks. The lightweight design, cordless freedom, multi-surface cleaning capabilities, and transforming functionality make it a great option for quick cleanups and small apartments. Ultimately, the BISSELL Featherweight Cordless XRT could be a strong contender for people in apartments or small homes who value convenience, lightweight design, and cordless cleaning freedom. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.